What's up explorers, Joms here. So ito na tayo guys, so nakauwi na tayo. So galing tayo from Mega Beautycon 2025. So this is yung passport natin. Dito na yung mga list of brands na kasama dun sa MegaCon. So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung ano makukuha nyo after ng pagpunta sa Mega Beautycon. Ito yung isa guys. So ito yung parang luggage mo. Ayan siya. Ayan yung tsura niya guys. Ayan. So upon entry, ito yung mga bibigay sa inyo. Tsaka yung pinaka-passport ninyo. Kasama nito. Yung sa akin medyo nahuli yung dalawa. Pinabalik ako kasi para i-pick up tong luggage na ito. And then humingi na rin ako ng ganito. Pinaka-passport. After nun, dun mo napapastamp yung mga to. For the brands. Ngayon ito, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung pinakalaman nito. Alright. So yun yung magiging laman niya guys. So this one is from Lux Cosmetics RSP Mist. Next is ito, Cathy Dow Beauty to Go Mini Lip and Cheek Cream Matte. Next, may laman siyang Myra E Natural Vitamin E. And next, meron din siyang Megan Beauty Advanced Miracle White Soothing Gel. Next, this one is from New Moon Nighty Bright Ashwagandha Plus Collagen. Next, so this one is from Vaseline Healthy Bright Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion. Next, Skin Potions Snowberry Cream Brightening Water Burst Sun Cream. Okay. This one is from Lux Slim Pro Meal Taro Healthy Meal Diet. So next is this one, Beauty and Health Pure Beauty Collagen with Probiotics. Next, from Lux Slim Lux Skin Men Activated Charcoal Marble Soap. So next is Lux Kids. Yan, so chocolate flavor, immunity booster, enhances brain function, good for eyesight, strengthens bones and muscles. So next, this one is from Femanos. So ang laman niya is parang meron siyang tumbler. Itsura niya is mga parang mga in-can na beverages. Tapos may kasama rin siyang Femanos, dalawang sachet. Ito daw ay drink mix with Dimanos and Lingonberry. So yung next natin guys is from Sunsilk. So Sunsilk shampoo, strong and long. Next is this one, so Pretty Secret 2-in-1 highlight and contour stick. Next is, so this one is from Dove Fresh Moisture Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream. Next, so this one is from Lux Slim Matcha Latte Stem Cell Extract. Next, from Lux Slim Cafe Turmerico. Next is from Avon Ultra Color Creamy Lipstick. Next is this one, Fresh Scent Lab Perfume. Okay, next is this one, Pure Culture. Natin. Yung last, Avon Black Soup. Meron ako nakitang parang maliit pang bottle. That's it. Yan yung pinakalaman ng ating luggage. During sa event guys, so ito yung meron sa'yo. Bibigyan ka ng parang passport. So, ipapastamp mo to guys. Yan na yan. So, there are brands na okay lang sila na mag-stamp. Ibigay mo lang to and then i-stamp nila. Katunayan na nakapunta ka na dun sa booth nila. May iba naman bago nila i-stamp is may papagawa muna sa'yo. Magpa-post ka sa social media mo. Pwedeng sa TikTok, sa Facebook o kaya sa IG. Tapos, pagka-post mo, tsaka ka nila lalagyan ng stamp. Yung iba naman, pagka-stamp pa lang, bibigyan ka na nila. Like this one, yan, so from Security Bank. Pagka-stamp nila, yan, binigyan lang ako ng ganito. Yung iba naman is, meron silang ipapagawa sa'yo. Like, magpo-post ka sa social media mo, and then itatag mo sila or hashtag. After nun, ayan, kagaya na to, may binigay. This one, from Beauty Hub Pro. Then, meron akong isang na-experience din na isang brand naman. Ang ginawa naman is, merong pinubunot. So, may bunutan na parang capsule. Ayun, tapos nakalagay din kasi try again, so kaya hindi ko nakuha. So dito naman sa may Vaseline, ayan, nakalagay no pouch. Kasi hindi ako nakakuha. Tapos nung pagbalik ko, ayun, naubos na rin. So hindi na ako nakakuha. After completion ng lahat ng brands na nandito, pag napastamp mo na sila lahat-lahat, pwede ka na mag-exit dun sa event. And then after nun, pipila ka para makuha naman yung isang bag from Beautycon. So, which is ito yun, yung bag na ganito. From Mega Beautycon din yan, 2025. Yan is may mga laman din guys. So yung mga laman naman niya guys is ito, pakita natin sa inyo. So check din natin guys yung ano yung mga laman. Ang laman niya is yan. This one is from Myra. So this is Myra E. Next is Lux Cosmetics RSP Mist. Next is from Femanos, so yung drink mix nila. Next, An-E Vitamin E. Next is this one from Lux Slim Konjac Zero Shirataki Dry Rice. We also have Dove Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream. So next one is from New Moon Myro Inositol plus D-Chiro Inositol Food Supplement Capsule. Next, this one is from Sunsilk Shampoo. Next is from Dear Face Sun Bounce Daily Tinted Sunscreen. Next is this one, Cream Silk Amino Collagen Damage Repair. So next is Skin Potions Snowberry Cream. So next is Dear Face Beauty Milk. So next is Vaseline Glutathione. So next is Lux Slim Matcha Latte. Next is Lux Skin Men Activated Charcoal Marble Soap. So this one is from Avon, Far Away, Beyond the Moon. So this one is a perfume. So that's it. So yun, explorers. So ayan yung laman ng Mega Beautycon 2025 na bag. And guys, so before I end this video, bibigyan ko lang ng big shout out yung Security Bank for giving me a VIP free early pass sa Mega Beautycon 2025. So thank you. Until next time guys, peace.